Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is again the live stream on my Facebook and YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the second match of this day between Chukar Royals versus Turkish teams now. Between Poshwani Riders. This is the first match of these two teams. Chukar Royals versus Poshwani Riders. Farhan, he is on his first over on his bowling mark, and Irshad Lefty, he is on strike, and Shady, he is on non-strike. And the two batsmen, Irshad Lefty, the senior most batsman of Chukar Royals. This is the first delivery of this evening, and this is a chance of a wicket, but at the end it is missed, and it is 4 for Lefty and 4 for Chukar Royals. And Irshad Lefty opens his account with 4. This is 4 for Lefty and 4 for Chukar Royals. The score on board is 4. This is the first inning of this match between Chukar Royals and Poshwani Riders. The T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Live stream को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad Lefty plays a good shot at the end. It is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4. This is the first over of this evening. This is the second match of this day of T20 third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. अगर हम इरशाद लेफ्टी की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छे मायानाज सीनियर टेक्निकी बैट्समैन है Chukar Royals की. And this is another good delivery by Farhan. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4. This is a great bowling by Farhan. He is on his first over, and this is the first over of this evening. First, Poshwani, they win the toss and they decided to field first. This is Irshad Lefty on strike. Irshad Lefty wants to, but at the end it is missed. It is a dot delivery. Score remains on 4. Farhan, very good delivery. This is a dot delivery by Farhan. Farhan, he is on his first over on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad Lefty. This is good delivery by Farhan. This is dot delivery, another dot delivery, and no runs. Square remains on 4. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Poshwani. And this is Farhan to Irshad Lefty. Irshad Lefty plays a shot. Here is a chance of catch out, and it's a good catch back by the fielder. And this is the loss of Irshad Lefty. And this is first wicket for Poshwani and Chukar Riders. They lost their first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. This is good bowling by Farhan. Good bowling by. This is good catching by at the end by the fielder of Poshwani. This is first wicket for Poshwani and Chukar Royals. They lost their first wicket. Poshwani Rising Stars. Irshad Lefty gone. He lost his wicket and he makes only 4 runs. Poshwani Rising Stars. Very good bowling by Farhan. This is the first wicket of Farhan and first wicket for Poshwani Rising Stars. And Chukar Royals, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. The big batsman gone. This is the first loss for Chukar Royals. After 1 hour, the score is 5. Now the new batsman is Tahir Ahmad. He is the new batsman. 4 is a Sugir, and they lost 1 wicket after 1 hour. This is the T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Now JD, he is on strike now. Most senior cricketer of Chukar Royals. Now Akil Ahmad, he is the new bowler for Poshwani Rising Stars. Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Tahir Ahmad is on non-strike end. He is the new batsman for Chukar Royals. अब तक हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम क्वालिटी और आपकी हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. Please put your positive comments in the comment section. This is Akil to the batsman JD. JD is and here is beat. JD is beat, and this is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4, and they lost only 1 wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Irshad Lefty loses his wicket. He makes only 4 runs. Now this is the second over of this evening. First inning between the two teams Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. This is another good delivery by the bowler Akil, and this is short delivery. No run. Square Freeman is on 4 and they lost 1 wicket. This is the second over of this inning. This is the second match of this day. Akil on his ball mark to the JD, and this is another good delivery by Akil. This is another short delivery. No run. Square Freeman is on 4 and they lost 1 wicket. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को शेयर करिए और अपने This is Akil to the batsman JD. This is another good delivery by Akil. This is another short delivery. No run. Score remains on 4. This is good bowling by the bowlers of Poshwani Rising Stars. Very good bowling by Akil. Akil on his bowling mark. This is the first over of Akil and this is the second over of this evening between the two teamers Royal and Rising Stars Poshwani. Akil. Oh, here was the chance of a catch, but at the end it is missed. Very good bowling by Akil Ahmed. This is another short delivery. No run. Score remains on 4 and they lost 1 early wicket. This is Akil. Very good bowling by Akil. This is Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good delivery. No run. This is maiden over by Akil. After 2 overs, the score on board is 4 runs, and they lost early 1 wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Now the new batsman Tahir is on strike, and JD faces 6 degrees, and he not make any run. Now Farhan on his second over, he gives 4 runs and take 1 wicket off Irshad Lefty in his first over. Now he is on his second over to the new batsman Tahir Ahmed. He is on strike now. After 2 overs, the score is 4. Farhan to the batsman Tahir. Oh, this is wide delivery and missed by the wicket keeper and wide and piles 4. King DM Gola, thank you King for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी आवाज़ आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Poshwani Rising Stars. King Irshad Lefty was thank you King Irshad sir for watching this. Keep share this live stream and you can also put your positive comments in comment section. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. This is Farhan to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is good delivery by Farhan. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9 and they lost 1 wicket after 2.21 over. Farhan, he is on his second over. And this is Tahir Ahmed, he is on strike and Shady, he is on non-strike end. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is another good delivery by Farhan. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9. King, tomorrow second quarter final under 19. Inshallah, tomorrow will be second quarter final between the two teams. That is the under 19 tournament. Tomorrow will be played. The two teams, the 2 matches. Inshallah, I hope so. Now this is Farhan to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. This is another good delivery, dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 9. And they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Irshad Lefty. Now Farhan, very good delivery, very good bowling by the bowlers of Rising Stars of Poshwani. This is very decent bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. And here is Farhan to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is the chance of a wicket. This is another wicket. This is wicket of Tahir Ahmed. And this is big wicket for Rising Star Poshwani. They take their second wicket and Chukar Royals, they lost their second wicket in the shape of Tahir Ahmed. Not good cricket played today by Chukar Royals. They lost their second wicket and they have only 9 runs on board. Farhan take his second wicket. Very good catching by at the end by the fielder of Rising Star Poshwani. And this is loss for Chukar Royals and they lost 2 wickets and they lost big wicket of Tahir Ahmed. 9 runs on board and they lost 2 early wickets after 2.4 hours. Very good and decent bowling by Farhan. He takes his second wicket and he is on his second over. Oh ho ho! Very good bowling, very good and impressive and decent bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani at Chukar Kunza Tulba ground. This is T20 Super Cup, third edition played at Chukar. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Poshwani Rising Stars. First, Poshwani Rising, they win the toss and they decided to field first. Very good decision taken by the captain of Rising Star Poshwani, because they take their early 2 wickets on board. There are only 9 runs after 2.4 hours. Now the new batsman is on the crease. Kaisar is the new batsman. Kaisar is the batsman on crease now. इसमें क्षमता है खेलने की, इसमें ताकत है, इसमें टेक्निक है खेलने की. काइसर वो खिलाड़ी है, बहुत ही अच्छी टेक्निक है उसके पास, काइसर के पास. Chukar Royals, they need here a big partnership if they want to give the target of 150, 140. This is Farhan to the Kaisar. Oh, this is first 6 for Kaisar and first 6 for Chukar Royals. With the 6, the score moves on 14 runs and this is the first 6 of this evening by Kaisar. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा कि काइसर में वो क्षमता है खेलने की, इसके पास ताकत है, इसमें इसके पास क्षमता है, उसके पास टेक्निक है खेलने की. Now this is the first 6 by Kaisar and first 6 for this evening by Kaisar. With the 6, the score moves on 15 and they lost 2 wickets after 2.5 overs. Now Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar. Kaisar और JD को यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, क्योंकि they need a partnership here. Farhan to the batsman Kaisar and this is a good delivery by Farhan. This is top delivery. After 3 hours, the score on board is 15 runs and they lost 2 early wickets. Now Chukar Royals, they need one partnership here because they lost their early 2 wickets. If they want to give the target of 150, 160 to Rising Star Poshwani. King Kaisar on fire. Thank you King Sir for watching this and keep share this live stream on your Facebook and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Comment section में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी live stream की वीडियो और वॉइस कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good delivery by Akil. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 15 and they lost 2 early wickets. यहाँ पे एक दरकार है एक पार्टनरशिप की Chukar Royals को. They need a big partnership here if they want to give the target of 160, 150 to Rising Star Poshwani. This is Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good ball. This is another dot delivery, no run. Great bowling by Akil. This is second over of Akil and this is the 4th over of this inning. The score on board is 15 only and they lost 2 early wickets. Now JD is on strike. Akil to JD. Oh, this is another good delivery. This is dot delivery. After 3.3 hours, the score on board is 15 and they lost 2 early wickets. यहाँ पे आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और वीडियो की क्वालिटी, लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी कैसी आप पहुँच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए, आपकी मेहरबानी होगी. And keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This match is between the two teams Chukar Royals versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani, they win the toss and they decided to field first and here is some kinds of point here. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी और हमारी आवाज़ आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. Thanks for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the T20 Super Cup 3rd edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. This is Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. JD faces 9 deliveries. Kaisar. This is Akil now to the batsman JD. JD is the most senior player of this Chukar and this is a good shot but at the end very good fielding, clear fielding by the fielder of Rising Star Poshwani. Thought delivery, no run. Score score remains on 15 and they lost 2 early wickets. This is a great bowling by the bowler of Poshwani Rising Star. This is Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. This is another good delivery by Akil. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 15 and they lost 2 early wickets. This is Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good delivery by Akil. This is dot delivery. This is the end of 4 hours. After 4 hours, the score on board is 15 and they lost 2 early wickets. Kaisar, he is on 6. Irshad Lafty lost their wicket on 4 and Tahir, he goes on duck. Now after 4 hours, the score on board is 15 runs. Now Kaisar, he is on strike now. वो क्षमता है खेलने की, उसके पास ताकत है, कला है, टैलेंट है, उसके पास टेक्निक है. नाउ ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक नाउ. अकील टू द बैट्समैन काइसर. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन मिस बाय काइसर. दिस इज अनदर मिस बाय काइसर एट डॉट डिलीवरी, नो रन. Score remains on 15 and they lost 2 wickets. Chukar Royals, they need a partnership here. They need to stay here. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की दरकार है चुकर रायल्स को. Now Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar. Oh, here is chance and here is the end of Kaisar. End of Kaisar. This is a wicket and this is big wicket for Rising Star Poshwani. Chukar Royals lost their wicket of Kaisar. They lost their third wicket in the shape of Kaisar. Kaisar goes on 6 runs and he faces 3 runners. This is good bowling by Poshwani Rising Stars. Chukar Royals lost their 3 early wickets. This is the big wicket for Rising Star Poshwani. Wicket of Kaisar. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है चुकर रायल्स को. अगर वो टारगेट देना चाहते हैं 140 150 का हज़फ देना चाहते हैं राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी की, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है, क्योंकि अच्छी बॉलिंग की, यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी कैचिंग की. यहाँ पे 2 ऐसे कैच ले के बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से कैच लिए और तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे फरहान की. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज फरहान ने. ही टेक हिज 3rd विकेट एंड दिस इज द 3rd ओवर ऑफ हिज Farhan. This is Farhan, the new batsman. Nadeem M is the new batsman on crease and Farhan की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. 3 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए, सिर्फ 15 रन खर्च किए and he is on his 3rd over now. The score for Chukar Royals on board is only 15 runs and they lost 3 early wickets. Irshad Lefty and Tahir and Kaisar, the big man. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery by Farhan. This is dot delivery. यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है चुकर रायल्स को. अगर वो 150 का 160 का हज़फ देना चाहती है राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. They need a partnership here. They need big partnership here because they lost their early 3 wickets and they have only 15 runs on board after 4.3 hours. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays another shot, but at the end it is a very good fielding at the end. No run. Score remains on 15 and they lost 3 early wickets after 4.4 hours. Farhan की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. 3 विकेट खिलाए अपनी टीम को, सिर्फ 15 रन खर्च किए. Farhan to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery. This is another dot. No run. Score remains on 15 runs and they lost their early 3 wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप दरकार है चुकर रायल्स को. खेलना होगा आज जेडी को, नदीम को, क्योंकि they lost their early 3 wickets. Farhan to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays a good shot here and this is 6 given by the 3rd umpire. This is 6 for Nadeem and 6 for Chukar Royals. The score moves on 21 run and they lost 3 early wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है चुकर रायल्स को. अगर वो 150 160 का हज़फ देना चाहते हैं अपने opposite team को Rising Star Poshwani को. They need to be sit here. They need a big partnership here. Farhan completes his third over and he give 21 runs and he take 3 crucial wickets for his team. Very good bowling by Farhan. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए बॉलर्स की पोशवानी राइजिंग स्टार की उतनी कम है, क्योंकि अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. अब जेडी को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा क्योंकि उसने 12 बॉलें फेस की है. जेडी faces 12 deliveries and still he opened his account. Nadeem he is on non-strike and now he is on 6. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी और वॉइस कैसी पहुँच पा रही है. नाउ अकील टू द बैट्समैन JD and this is a good bowling and it is a good fielding by the fielder of Poshwani Rising Star. No run. Score remains on 21 and they lost 3 early wickets after 5 points. This is Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is a chance but at the end it is missed by the fielder and this is first 4 for JD and with this 4 the score moves on 25. With this 4 the score the player JD he opens the account with 4 after 14 deliveries. This is great bowling by Akil. After 5.2 hours the score on board is only 25 runs and they lost 3 early wickets. Now Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is good delivery. Great bowling by Akil. This is dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 25 and they lost 3 early wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की दरकार है यहाँ पे चुका राइल्स को. अगर होता एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. दिस इज Akil to JD. This is wide given by the umpire Tawfiq Al Noor. This is wide. With this wide the score moves on 26. Nadeem. This is a great bowling here by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. They take their early 3 wickets and this is Akil to the batsman JD. यहाँ पे खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन बीच हुए यहाँ पे JD. This is a great bowling here by Akil by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. This is dot. No run. Score remains on 26 and they lost 3 early wickets after 5.4 hours. Now Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another great delivery. Good delivery by Akil. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Akil की. Another dot delivery. Score remains on 26. Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. JD is on 4 and he faces 17 deliveries. यहाँ पे खेलना होगा JD और नदीम को पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. Akil to the batsman JD. This is wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiq Al Noor. With this wide, the score moves on 27 runs and they lost 3 early wickets. This is a great bowling here by Akil. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है शुक्र राइल्स को. This is Akil to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good ball. This is another dot delivery. No run. After 6 hours, the score on board is 27 and they lost 3 wickets. Farhan takes 3. Akil, very good bowling by Akil. He gives only 6 runs in 3 hours. Farhan takes 3 wickets in 3 hours and gives only 21 runs. Very good bowling by Farhan and Akil. Great bowling by the 2 bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. They take their early 3 wickets and the score after 6 hours on board is only 27 runs and they lost 3 early wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है शुक्र राइल्स को. JD को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा, नदीम को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा क्योंकि ये सीनियर बैट्समैन है इस चुका राइल्स की टीम के. यहाँ पे एक बड़ी पार्टनरशिप चाहिए अगर वो हज़फ देना चाहते हैं अपोजिट टीम को 150 160 का. Then they need to be here, stay here. They need a big partnership here if they want to keep the target of 150 160 to Rising Star Poshwani. Now after 6 hours the score on board is 27 and they lost 3 early wickets. Now Nadeem M, he is on strike now. He is on 6 runs. He faces 4 deliveries. लाइव स्ट्रीम को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। दिस इज माजिद, न्यू बॉलर फॉर राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी। माजिद, Nadeem M is on a strike now. Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. The score on board is 27 and they lost 3 early wickets after 6 overs. Majid to Nadeem. Oh, this is another dot delivery. No run. This is great cricket play by the players of Rising Star. They have great bowling, they have great fielding today. The score remains on 27 and they lost 3 early wickets. This is Majid to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another good delivery but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 28 run and they lost 3 early wickets. This is Chedi on strike now. यहाँ पे चेडी को अब एक पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी, खेलना होगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि दिस इज माजिद टू द बैट्समैन चेडी। यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है शुक्र राइल्स को अगर वे 150-160 का हज़ब देना चाहते हैं राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को। नाउ दिस इज माजिद टू द बैट्समैन चेडी। Oh, this is another good delivery by Majid. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 28 and they lost 3 early wickets. This is Chedi on strike and Majid, he is on his bowling mark. Oh, this is another good bowling by Majid. Great bowling, good ball and dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 28 and they lost 3 early wicket in the shape of Tahir Ahmed Kaisar and Irshad Lefty. Now they need a big partnership here if they want to give the target of 150. Here is Majid to the batsman Chedi and this is another good bowling. This is another dot delivery, no run. After 7 overs, the score on board is 28 run and they lost 3. And Majid, very good bowling by Majid. He gives only 1 run in his first over. The score on board is 28 run and they lost 3 wicket after 7 overs. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है शुक्र राइल्स को। यहाँ पे खेलना होगा आज नदीम और चेडी को, क्योंकि बिकॉज दे आर द सीनियर क्रिकेटर players of Chukar Islands. Here they need to give a big partnership. They need to stay here. This is a new bowler for Rising Star Poshwani. Mubashir Shafi is a new bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. He is on 7 runs. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Shahnawaz Dani. This is wide. The score moves on 29 and they lost their 3 early wickets after 7 overs. Now Mubashir Shafi, he is on his bowling mark. He is on his first over to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery by Mubashir. Good delivery, great delivery, dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 29. Great bowling by the bowlers of Shining Star, Rising Star Poshwani. This is Mubashir Shafi. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is good shot, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot take a single. Here is good fielding at the end, very good fielding. This is great cricket played by Rising Star Poshwani. No run. Score remains on 29 and they lost 3 early wickets after 7.2 overs. Here, Chukar Islands, they need a partnership here. They need to stay here if they want to give the target of 160. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman Nadeem. This is another great delivery. Good delivery by Mubashir Shafi. This is dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 29 run. And they lost 3 early wicket. Very good bowling by Mubashir Shafi. He is on his first over. Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery by Mubashir, but at the end missed by the wicketkeeper. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 30. Here is extra run. and the score on board is 30, and they lost 3 early wickets. Mubashir Shafi, very good bowling by Mubashir Shafi. He's on his first over. Now JD, he's on strike. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman JD, and a chance of another wicket, but at the end he's missed, and this is 4 for JD and 4 for Chukar Riders. This is 4 for Chukar Riders. With this 4, the score moves on 34 run. Here Chukar Riders, they need a partnership here. They need to stay here if they want to get the target of 160 to Rising Star Poshwani. Now Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. JD moves on 8 runs. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 35 runs after 8 overs. Now JD moves on 9. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 7 runs. Here is a need of partnership. A partnership here Chukar Riders need. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप दरकार है Chukar Riders को. यहाँ पे आज खेलना होगा दोनों बैट्समैन को, नदीम अकबर मीर और जेडी को. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, because they lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 35 runs on board after 8 overs. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The 2 teams are today Chukar Riders versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani, they win the toss and they decided to field first. After 8 overs, Chukar Riders, they made only 35 runs and they lost their 3 early wickets after 8 overs. Now Majid on his second over to the batsman JD. आज JD को खेलना होगा, यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, क्योंकि ज़रूरत है एक पार्टनरशिप की यहाँ पे Chukar Riders को. So this is Majid to the batsman JD. Oh, this is good shot played by JD, but only a single. With this single, the score moves on 36 runs, and they lost 3 early wickets. This is Majid on his second over. He gives only 2 runs in his on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is solo delivery by Majid, but missed by the keeper, and the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 37 runs. After 8.2 overs, they lost 3 early wickets. They lost the wicket of Kaisar Tahir and Irshad Lefty. Now Majid to the batsman JD. This is another shot played by the batsman JD. This is 4 for JD and 4 for Chukar Riders. They need these shots, they need these runners, because they have low score here. With this 4, the score moves on 41 run and they lost 3 early wickets. JD moves on 14. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप दरकार है. They need a partnership here. Majid to the batsman JD. Oh, another good delivery by Majid. This is a totally no run. Score remains on 41. यहाँ पे अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली होगी दोनों को. यहाँ पे विकेट बचानी होगी, क्योंकि 3 विकेट पहले ही खो चुके हैं Chukar Riders. Now this is a Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Another good shot played by the fielder, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of Rising Star Poshwani. This is great fielding by the fielders of Poshwani. This is a single. जहाँ पे 4 होना चाहिए वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक सिंगल हुआ. With this 1, the score moves on 42. This is the last delivery of this over of Majid to the batsman Nadeem. And this is a great bowling by Majid. This is end of his second over and end of 9 overs. Score on board is 42 and they lost 3 wickets, in which 9 runs are extras. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. Mubashir Shafi is on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. बार बार यह कहना चाहता हूं कि यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है. JD और नदीम को एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अपनी टीम को, because they have only 42 runs on board and they lost 3 early wickets, and the 3 big wickets lost Chukar Riders earlier. Now Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another good delivery, but at the end well played by JD for a single. With this single, the score moves on 43 run and they lost 3. JD moves on 16 and he faced 29 deliveries. Now Nadeem Mir. He is on strike now. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman Nadeem Mir. Oh, यहाँ पे खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए नदीम, बीट हुए. This is great bowling by Mubashir Shafi. Dot delivery, score remains on 43 and they lost 3. यहाँ पे अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी, यहाँ पे विकेट नहीं खोने होंगे, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होंगे अपनी टीम को क्योंकि पहले ही 3 विकेट खो चुकी है चुकर रॉयल्स. They need a mind game here if they want to give the target of 150, 160 to Rising Star Poshwani. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman Nadeem T, and this is another good delivery, and this is short delivery. Score remains on 43. And this is very impressive bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. Rising Star Poshwani, they win the toss and they opted to field. Very good decision taken by the captain of Poshwani Rising Star. Here is Mubashir Shafi to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman but cannot beat the fielder. And this is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 43 and they lost 3 early wickets. Now Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays another shot and this is a shot, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single the score goes on 44 run and they lost the early wicket after 9.5. This is the last delivery of this 10th over. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman JD. This is a great bowling. This is great bowling by the bowlers of Rising Star Poshwani. After 10 overs, the score is 44 run and they lost 3 wickets. JD, he is on 16. Nadeem Akbar, he is on 9 runs. अगर हम बात करें चुकर रॉयल्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है. एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी इन 2 बैट्समैनों को अपनी टीम को क्योंकि 3 विकेट पहले से ही खो चुके हैं. Because they lost their early 3 wicket and they have only 44 runs on board after 10 overs. यहाँ पे बहुत ही तारीफ करनी होगी राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी के बॉलर्स की क्योंकि अच्छी बॉलिंग की आज पोशवानी राइजिंग स्टार के बॉलर्स ने 3 विकेट चटकाए. Hoogna hoe toe? Weet je nog hoe atpar. Wees van jullie atparas. Ah, nee, hoe je. Nee, want hoe je maar atpar push. Hoog. Wat zijn dikjes? Kunizon. Ah, Kunizon. This is T20 Super Cup. Third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. Today the 2 teams are Chukar Rivals versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani, they win the toss and they opted to field first. Very good decision taken by the captain of Rising Star Poshwani. After 10 overs, the score on board is 44. They lost their 3 early wickets. आगे पीछे. हाँ बस थैंक यू. कुछ कहना चाहता है? कुछ कहना है? अच्छा बोलो कुछ. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live. This is a cute baby here and बोलो कुछ बोलना है? कुछ नहीं बोलना है. क्या नाम है? Hania is your name. Thank you. So here is Hania, cute baby. Thank you. Mubashir Shafi completes his 2 overs and he gave 8 runs. After 10 overs, the score on board is 44 runs and they lost 3 early wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है. चुकर रॉयल्स को अच्छा खेलना होगा यहाँ पे जेडी को और नदीम को because they lost their early 3 wickets. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुँच पा रही है. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulba ground. The 2 teams are Rising Star Poshwani. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी की बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया और अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी ने एंड दे टेक देयर अर्ली 3 विकेट्स. Now Majid on his 3rd over. Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Mir. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है चुकर राइडर्स को. This is a Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is a great bowling, another good delivery, but at the end, good shot played by Nadeem Akbar Mir, and this is 4 for Nadeem and 4 for Chukar Railers. The partnership is on 33 runs. Nadeem moves on 13 runs and he faces 17 deliveries. Now score on board is 48 run. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, तो बैट्समैन के दरमियान एक पार्टनरशिप जरूरत है अपनी टीम को. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Nadeem. This is 4 given by the umpire. Great shot played by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is 4 for Nadeem and 4 for Chukar Railers. Chukar Railers need these two batsmen. They need this partnership here. The score on board is 52 runs. Majid to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays under good shot, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 53, and they lost 3 early wickets. Now here, Royal Chukar Railers, they need a partnership here, because they lost 3 early wickets. If they want to give the target of 150, Majid to the batsman JD. This is wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiqul Noor. This is wide. With this wide, the score moves on 54 runs, and they lost 3 early wickets. Majid to the batsman JD. This is another wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiqul Noor. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है चुकर राइलर्स को. खेलना होगा आज नदीम और जेडी को. माजिद टू द बैट्समैन जेडी, एंड दिस इज another good ball by Majid. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 55, and they lost 3 early wicket after 10.4 hours. Now Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman JD, and this is another good delivery by Majid. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 55. Very good bowling by Majid, and this is the 3rd over of Majid, and this is last delivery of Majid's over, and this is last delivery of this over. This is here is chance of a wicket, and it is missed by the fielder of Rising Star Poshwani. There was a chance of catch, but at the end missed by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single after 11 hours. The score on board is 56 runs, and they lost 3. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 18 runs, and JD, he is on 17 runs.
56. Near point.
चुकर राइलर्स की बात करें, यहाँ पे आज एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है अपनी टीम के लिए. पूरी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. आज जेडी और नदीम अकबर मीर को खेला होगा अपनी टीम के लिए, because they lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 56 runs on board. Now the new bowler for Rising Star Poshwani is Zubair Qadir. यहाँ पे शॉट्स लगाने होंगे चुकर राइडर्स को, क्योंकि रन्स भी ज़रूरत है, ये कट भी ज़रूरत है, शॉट्स भी लगाने होंगे. एक बड़ा सा टोटल देना होगा राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. अगर हम राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी की बात करें, अभी तक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी ने, बिकॉज दे टेक देयर अर्ली 3 wickets आफ्टर 11 hours. The score on board is 56 runs only. Now Zubair Qadir is the new bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. And this is a shot played by JD. Here is a chance of but at the end the two batsmen complete a single. Here is a misfielding, but the two batsmen take extra run. The score moves on 58 run, and they lost 3 early wicket. Now Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Oh, here is chance of a catch. But he misses, and this is 4 for JD, 4 for Chukar Railers. With this 4, the score for Chukar Railers moves on 62 runs. JD moves on 23. And he faces 35 deliveries. Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप दरकार है चुकर राइलर्स को. Now Zubair to the batsman, and here is chance of a catch out putt, and it is missed by the bowler at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 63 run, and they lost 3 wicket. यहाँ पे खेलना होगा अच्छी तरह से, दिमाग से खेलना होगा. यहाँ पे रन्स भी आनी चाहिए और विकेट भी बचनी चाहिए, because they lost early 3 wickets also. Now Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is another good delivery by Zubair Qadir. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 63, and they lost 3 wickets. This is Zubair Qadir to the batsman Nadeem, and this is a good shot played by the hand, missed by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 64 run, and they lost 3 wickets after 11.5 overs. Now this is Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Oh, this is good bowling by Zubair Qadir. This is dot delivery, no run. This is end of 12 hours. After 12 hours, the score is 64 runs on board, and they lost 3 early wickets. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ कैसी पहुंच पा रही है और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. पुट योर कमेंट्स इन कमेंट सेक्शन प्लीज. नाउ आफ्टर 12 hours, the score on board is 64 run for the loss of 3 wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है और रनर्स भी दरकार है. चुका राइलर्स को एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. Chuka Railers need a partnership here. They need runners here. They need 6s, 4s here. If they want to give the target of 160, 150 to Rising Star Poshwani. Here they need runs because they have only 64 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. यहाँ पे शॉट्स खेलने होंगे दोनों प्लेयरों को, जेडी और पोशवानी नदीम को. अपनी टीम को एक अच्छा टोटल देना होगा, अपोजिट टीम को राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. नाउ the total on board is 64 run. Nadeem Mir, he is on strike now. Rais Malik is the new bowler for Rising Star Poshwani. Rais Malik on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem, he is on 19 runs. He faces 21 deliveries. JD, he is on 24 runs. Rais to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays a shot. Here is a chance of wicket. This is long. Here is a damage, and it is missed by the fielder of Poshwani. ना बचा हुआ लोग सा कौन सा यहाँ पे एक कैच था लेकिन नहीं ले पाए पोशवानी के फील्डर ने, लेकिन कोशिश की, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. सो दिस इज Rais Malik to the batsman JD. This is full toss delivery given by the batsman JD. Plays a shot for this is a 6 given by the umpire Shahnawaz. This is a good shot played by JD. This is 6. They need these shots because they have only 71 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. JD moves on 30 runs and he faces 38 deliveries. Now Rais Malik on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. This is a great shot played by JD. This is Rais Malik on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. This is another shot played by the batsman JD, but at the end it is great fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 72 run for the loss of 3 wicket. Now Rais Malik on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. JD moves on 31 and he faces 31 deliveries. Nadeem, he is on strike now. He is on 20 runs. Rais to Nadeem. Oh, this is good shot played by Nadeem. This is huge six given by the umpire Ershad Shahnawaz. This is huge six by Nadeem Akbar Mir. Great batting by the two batsmen Javed, JD and Nadeem. Good partnership here. The partnership need Chuka. This partnership need here. The score moves on 78 run and they lost 3 early wickets. Now Nadeem Akbar Mir, he played very well, knocked off 26 runs, and JD is also played on 31 runs. This is a great batting between the two batsmen. This is great shot played by Nadeem for huge six. This is very expensive over by Rais Malik. Rais Malik on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another six by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is another good shot played by Nadeem. Another six for Nadeem. Another six for Chukar Railas. Chukar Railas need these shots. Sixes, fours, they need these two batsmen. Now score moves on 84 runs and they lost 3 wickets. Now this is very expensive over by Rais. This is full toss delivery by, but at the end Nadeem Akbar played a shot, but only a single. After 13 hours, the score is 85 on board and they lost 3 wickets. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 33 and JD, he is on 31. यहाँ पे खेलना होगा दो प्लेयरों को, जेडी और नदीम को एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी और एक बड़ा टोटल देना होगा राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. The projected score will be 131 if they will stay on this. Or is Malik completed his first over and that over score punchit 85 is score on board. Now the new bowler Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Here the two batsmen play very good cricket. This is a great partnership here between Nadeem and JD. Now Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Shahnawaz. With this wide, the score moves on 86 after 13 overs. Now Zubair Qadir to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another huge six by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is 6 for Chukar Railas. With this 6, the score moves on 92 runs. Very good shot played by Nadeem Akbar Mir. Great batting by Nadeem. यहाँ पे ऐसे ही छक्कों की जरूरत है चुकर राइलर्स को अगर एक बड़ा टोटल देना होगा राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. So the score on board is 92 runs and they lost 3 wickets. Now Nadeem Mir, he is on 39 runs in just 26 deliveries. This is Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem Mir, he is on fire now. And this is another delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. Very good running between the two wickets, between the two batsmen. The score moves on 93 and they lost 3 wickets after 13.2 overs. Now JD on strike. Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. This is JD plays another good shot and this is 4 for JD, 4 for Chukar Railas. Very good batting by the two batsmen JD and Nadeem. With this 4, the score moves on 97 for the loss of 3 wickets. JD moves on 35. यहाँ पे आज खेलना होगा JD और नदीम को अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी. This is Zubair to JD and this is missed by the wicket keeper and the two batsmen take 2 runs. The score moves on 99 run. Zubair Qadir on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Oh, here यहाँ पे खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए JD. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 99 for the loss of 3 wickets. This is Zubair Qadir to the batsman JD. JD's this is another pitch. This is dot delivery, no run after 14 hours. The score on board is 99. अगर हम बात करें नदीम और जेडी की, यहाँ पे अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा अभी तक कर रहे हैं जेडी और नदीम. Nadeem, he plays on 40 and JD, he is on 35. This is a good partnership between the two batsmen, JD and Nadeem. Chukarailas, if the Chukarailas wants to give target of 150, they need here big shots. They will give the target of 170, 180 if these two batsmen stay here. अब यहाँ पे तेज शॉट्स खेलने होंगे चुकाराइल्स को. अगर एक अच्छा सा 99 is score on board and they lost 3 wickets. यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग करनी होगी राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को अब, क्योंकि थोड़ी कमजोरी आ चुकी है पोशवानी राइजिंग स्टार के प्लेयर्स में. This is Farhan now on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays a good knock of 40 here. He is on strike now. This is Farhan to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another shot played by Nadeem. This is another 4 for Nadeem. Another 4 for Chukarailas. This is 100 up and this is 100 and 3 runs for Chukarailas. Very good shot played by Nadeem Akbar Mir. He moves on 44. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem, he is on fire now. Oh, this is another good shot played by Nadeem, but at the end very good fielding. But the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 104 runs and they lost 3 wickets. Now Nadeem, he is on 45 runs and JD, he is on strike now. He is on 35. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. There is chance of a wicket, but at the end not taken by the fielder of the Poshwani. And it is a single for JD and single for Chukarailas. With this single, the score moves on 105 for the loss of 3 wickets. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground, third edition of this tournament. The two teams are Chukarailas versus Rising Star Poshwani. Rising Star Poshwani win the toss and they opted to field first. After 14.3 hours, the score on board is 105. First, Chukarailas early lost 3 wickets, but at the end, Nadeem and JD plays very well. Knock. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is 50 for Nadeem. Very well played by Nadeem. This is 50. And with this 6, the score of Nadeem Akbar Mir is 51. And he completes 50 in 30 deliveries only. The score moves on 111 runs. Very good knock by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is very good knock played today by Nadeem and JD. This is very expensive over by Farhan. This is a 5th delivery of this over of Farhan. Farhan on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem, he is on fire now. This is another shot played by Nadeem, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 112 runs. अगर हम नदीम की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज नदीम ने, जितनी तारीफ की जाए, क्योंकि दरकार थी एक पार्टनरशिप की यहाँ पे Chukarailas को, because they lost their early 3 wickets. Now Farhan to the batsman JD. Oh, this is another shot played by JD. This is 6 for JD, 6 for Chukarailas. Very well knocked by JD. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. यहाँ पे 103 runs partnership between the two batsmen, 100 partnership between the two batsmen, between JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. Very well knocked played by the two batsmen. JD, he is on 42 runs. Nadeem, he is on 52 runs. 102 run partnership between the two batsmen. Chukarailas lost their early 3 wickets, but the two batsmen playing very well knock, and they played a partnership of 102 runs for his team. Chukarailas, they need these two batsmen. हमने पहले ही आपसे कहा था कि इन बैट्समैन को आज खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया जेडी और नदीम अकबर मीर ने, बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. नाउ द न्यू बॉलर इज मुबशिर शिफी फॉर राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on strike now. He is on 52 runs. He just faced 31 deliveries. Now 5 hours remaining for this first inning. 30 deliveries are remaining now. They need to give the target of 180, 190 to Rising Star Poshwani here. Because 170, 180 is a safe score here at this pitch. Now this is Mubashir Shafi. He's on his third over. Very good bowling by Mubashir Shafi. He gives only 8 runs in 2 hours. Now he's on his third over to the batsman Nadeem. This is a good shot played by Nadeem. This is another 4 for Nadeem. Another 4 for Chukar Riles. Very good batting. Very good knock played by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is 4 for Nadeem. 4 for Chukar Riles. They need here runners. The score moves on 122 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. The partnership is on 106 runs between the two batsmen. Jay, yes sir. यहाँ पे अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज जेडी और नदीम मीर ने अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दिलाई अपनी टीम को चुकर राइल्स को, जिसकी ज़रूरत थी चुकर राइल्स को। बहुत ही सूझबूझ से आज दो बैट्समैनों ने खेला अपनी टीम के लिए, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दी अपनी टीम को। Now Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays another good shot, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 123, and they lost 3 wickets after 15.2 hours. Now Mubashir Shafi is on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. JD, he is on 42 runs. Nadeem on non-strike and he is on 57. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman JD. JD plays another good shot for another 4. This is 4 for JD, 4 for Chukar Riles. And JD moves on 46. The score moves on 127 runs. This is great knock by the two players, JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. The score moves on 127 runs. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज इन दो बैट्समैन की बहुत ही कम है। बहुत ही अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज जेडी और नदीम अकबर ने। दिस इज मुबशिर टू द बैट्समैन जेडी एंड दिस इज अ गुड डिलीवरी, डॉट डिलीवरी बाय मुबशिर। Score remains on 127 for the loss of 3 wickets after 15.4 hours. Now Mubashir Bashir to the batsman JD. JD needs 4 runs for his 50. This is 50 of JD. This is 6 for JD, and this is 6 for Chukar Riles. This is 50 for JD. He completes his 50. Very good knock by JD. This is good cricket play today by the two batsmen JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. Very good partnership between the two batsmen. Chukar Riles need these two batsmen. They need this partnership. Very well knock played by the two batsmen. The score moves on 133, and they lost 3 wickets. Now very good batting by JD and Nadeem. JD on strike now. He completes his 50 on 48 deliveries. Mubashir Shafi to the batsman JD. This is another shot played by JD. This is another, but at the end the two batsmen take 2 runs. With this two, the score moves on 135. After 16 hours, the score is 135. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 57, JD on 54, and Kaisar only makes 6 runs, and Irshad lefty 4. Tahir goes on duck. This is a great batting by the two batsmen. यहाँ पे दरकार थी इस पार्टनरशिप की चुकर राइल्स को, क्योंकि पहले ही 3 विकेट खो चुके थे कम रन्स पे। आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए इन दो बैट्समैन की बहुत ही कम है, क्योंकि अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज इन दो बैट्समैन ने, नदीम और जेडी ने। नाउ अकील ऑन हिज 4th ओवर। अगर हम अकील की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज अकील ने, बिकॉज ही दिस इज द 4th ओवर ऑफ हिज अकील एंड ही गिव ओनली 6 runs in 3 hours. Now Nadeem on strike, he is on 57. Now Akil to the batsman Nadeem, and this is another good delivery by Akil. This is dot delivery, no run. आज अकील की हम बात करें तो अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज अकील ने। 3 ओवर दिए, 3 ओवरों में सिर्फ 6 रन खर्च किए। This is the 4th over of Akil. This is Nadeem plays another shot for 6. This is 6 for Nadeem, 6 for Chukar Riles, and very good shot played by the batsman Nadeem. This is a great batting by Nadeem Akbar Mir. With the 6, the score moves on 141, and they lost 3 wickets. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज इन दो बैट्समैनों की बहुत ही कम है। नदीम और जेडी की बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज इन दो बैट्समैन ने। आज दिल खुश किया अपने कैप्टन के। दे हैव पार्टनरशिप ऑफ 100 रन्स between Chedi and Nadeem. Now Akil on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Another foot on the way and another shot here played by Nadeem and another six. This is another six by Nadeem. Great batting by Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is another six for Chukar Royals. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है आज इन दो बैट्समैनों की, नदीम और जेडी की। The score moves on 147 for the loss of 3 and Nadeem Akbar Mir. The individual score is 69 and he faces 36 deliveries. This is a great batting by Nadeem and JD. Nadeem, he is on 69 and he faces 36 deliveries. JD, he is on 54. The two batsmen completes 50 and partnership 100 partnership completes between the two batsmen. Now Akil to the batsman Nadeem. आज अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा किया इन दो बैट्समैन ने। आज दिल जीत लिया अपने चाहने वालों के। आज जल्दी जल्दी विकेट कोई चुका रहा है, बट जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज जेडी और नदीम की, एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप दी अपनी टीम को, 100 रन की पार्टनरशिप, और अपनी 50 जेडी ने कंप्लीट की और नदीम ने भी अपनी 50 कंप्लीट की। वेरी गुड नॉक प्लेड बाय द टू बैट्समैन नदीम एंड जेडी। नाउ अकील टू द बैट्समैन नदीम। This is another good shot played by the batsman Nadeem, but at the end very good flat whistle by the fielder, and this is another 4 for Nadeem, another 4 for Chukar Royals, and here is laziness by the players of rising star Paris. This is 4 for Nadeem. He moves on 73 and the score is 151 for the loss of 3. Now Akil to the batsman Nadeem Mir, and this is a good bowling. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 151 for the loss of 3 wicket. Now this is Akil to the batsman JD, to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is another good shot played by Nadeem for another 4. This is not here is a fielding by the fielder, and the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 153 after 17 hours. Now 3 hours are left for this evening. If they want to give the target of 288 big shots here, just like JD and Nadeem, because they play today good cricket and they give good partnership here. They give the big partnership for our team. Now 3 overs are remaining for this evening. This is Majid to the bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem, he is on 74 runs and JD, he is on 54 runs. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज इन दो बैट्समैन बहुत ही कम है, क्योंकि आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया जेडी और नदीम अकबर मीर ने। आज दरकार थी इन दो बैट्समैनों को, अपनी टीम को, चुकर रॉयल्स को, इन दो बैट्समैनों की आज जरूरत थी इस टीम को, क्योंकि एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दी आज इन दो बैट्समैन ने। दिस इज माजिद टू द बैट्समैन नदीम। Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Nadeem, and this is another 6. This is another 6 for Chukar Royals. The quality shot of Nadeem player. Very good knock by the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is another 6. Huge 6 by Nadeem. This is another 6 for Chukar Royals. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है नदीम और जेडी की। बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड। This is the third edition T20 played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Rising Star Poshwani. First Rising Star Poshwani win the toss. They opted to field first, but at the end after 17 hours the score on board is 158 run for the loss of 3. The two batsmen Nadeem and JD, they played today very well knock, very well partnership for his team, and this is good cricket by Nadeem. This is 6 played by Nadeem. Now Majid on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज नदीम की बहुत ही कम है। Now Majid to the batsman Nadeem. This is for toss delivery, slow delivery. At the end the two batsmen take a single, but and he just missed it. There is 2 runs taken by the two players. Batsman, very good running by between the wickets. Nadeem. Now he is on 82 runs. He is on strike. Majid to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, this is a dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 106. यहाँ पे जल्दी विकेट खोए थे अब चुका रॉयल्स ने, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी इन दो बैट्समैनों की, जितने तारीफ करने की उतनी कम है इन दो बैट्समैन की, जेडी और नदीम की. They played very well today. They give a big partnership here for his team, Chukar Royals. Now, this is Majid to the batsman Nadeem. This is another slower delivery. No run. Score remains on 160. Now, 14 deliveries are left of this inning. This is Majid to the batsman Nadeem. Nadeem plays another shot, but at the end, it is a single. With the single, the score moves on 161 run. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी की, पहले 10 ओवर उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से खेले थे, लेकिन उसके बाद रन आए जेडी और नदीम के दौरान. Majid to Teddy and Teddy plays another shot here in chance, but at the end it is missed by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 162 run for the loss of 3 wickets. And it is end of 18 overs, 162 runs. Now Farhan 3 wickets, उसने 3 विकेट छटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए. अकील 4 overs completed 23 runs, Majid completed 4 30 runs, मुबशिर completed 3 overs 25, जुबैर कादिर completed 2 overs 5 runs दिए. रईस मलिक 1 ओवर, महंगा ओवर था वो रईस मलिक का. अब 2 ओवर है इस इवनिंग के चुकर रॉयल्स की. अब जितने रन्स जुड़ेंगे वो देने होंगे अपनी टीम को, एक अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा यहाँ पे राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को. नाउ जेडी he is on strike, he is on 55 runs. Nadeem he is on 83, he is on strike. And now this is Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है इन दो बैट्समैनों की, क्योंकि आज अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया इन दो बैट्समैन ने अपनी टीम के लिए. दरकार थी इस जोड़ी की चुकर रॉयल्स को. आज दिल खुश किया जेडी और नदीम ने. मुबशिर बशीर टू जेडी. जेडी plays another good shot, but at the end it is good fielding by the fielder of Rising Star Poshwani. Very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. जहाँ 4 होना चाहिए वहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 रन मिला. Very good fielding at the end. Now Mubashir Bashir, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. Oh, here was the chance of a wicket, but at the end missed by the wicket keeper. This is a great bowling by Mubashir Shafi. The score remains on 163 runs. यहाँ पे shots खेलने होंगे अब चुकर रॉयल्स को, because they have 7 wickets in hand and they have only 10 deliveries left now. Now Mubashir to that Nadeem. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman Nadeem. This is huge 6 by Nadeem. This is 6 for Nadeem, 6 for Chukar Royals. They need these 6s, they need these 4s. Now partnership moves on 154 runs. Oh, this is great partnership between the two batsmen JD and Nadeem. Now score moves on 169 runs. Nadeem Akbar Mir, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है इन दो बैट्समैनों को, क्योंकि जल्दी विकेट खोए थे चुकर रॉयल्स ने. They give 150 partnership here between the two batsmen JD and Nadeem Akbar Mir. Now Mubashir Shafi on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. This is wicket of Nadeem. This is great knock by Nadeem Akbar Mir. Great knock played by Nadeem. Very good batting. This is end of Nadeem. This is the 4th wicket for Rising Star Poshwani, and Chukar Royals lost their wicket of Nadeem Akbar Mir. Very good knock. जितनी तारीफ की जाए नदीम की उतनी कम है. दरकार थी इस विकेट की, दरकार थी इस पार्टनरशिप की, इस जोड़ी की. चुकर रॉयल्स को एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दिलाई, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. Very good knock played by Nadeem Akbar Mir. And this is end of Nadeem, and this is the loss of 4 wicket and 169 on board. Now 8 deliveries are remaining for this evening of Chukar Royals. Can they give the target of 200, 190 to Rising Star Poshwani? It will be seen in next. This is Mubashir Bashir. He take his first wicket, and this is 4th over of Mubashir Shafi. Now the new batsman on strike is Sajjad, the new batsman, experienced batsman. This is the first shot played by the batsman. Sajjad is the experienced cricketer of Chukar Royals. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, Sajjad opens his account with a single. The score moves on 170. Now 7 deliveries are left of this inning. Now JD on strike. Mubashir Shafi to JD. Oh, this is a shot played by JD, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 171 after 19 hours. Now only 1 hour is left of this inning of Chukar Royals. Can they give the target of 200 or 190? It will be seen in this after this hour. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज नदीम अकबर और जेडी की उतनी कम है। बहुत अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज दोनों बैट्समैन ने। अब यहाँ पे शॉट्स लगाने होंगे इन दो बैट्समैनों को, क्योंकि टारगेट देना होगा 190 200 देना होगा टारगेट राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी को। Sajjad. Now Ubaid is the new bowler for rising star Poshwani. The batsman is JD on strike. He is on 57 runs, and the new batsman Sajjad, he is on non-strike end. यहाँ पे और 20 रन्स देने होंगे अपनी टीम को, क्योंकि एक अच्छा सा टोटल होगा। This is Ubaid to JD. JD plays a good shot, and this is a parallel shot of JD. This is 4 for JD, 4 for Chukar Royals. With this 4, the score moves on 175. Very good knock played by JD. This is a good cricket played here by JD, and JD moves on 61 runs. Now Ubaid on his bowling mark to the batsman JD. Can they give the target of 190? This is a dot delivery. This is no run. Score remains on 175. This is Ubaid to the batsman JD. JD plays another big shot, and here is chance of wicket. This is a wicket of JD, and here is a good knock played by JD. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। आज JD ने एक अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा किया। Now Chukar Royals lost their 5th wicket, and on board the score is 175 runs. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज नदीम और JD ने। दरकार थी इस पार्टनरशिप की, दरकार थी इन दो बैट्समैनों की आज Chukar Royals को। Ubaid takes his first wicket on his first over. Now Ubaid to the new batsman Javed Ahmed Loon, the experienced batsman of this team Chukar Royals. Now they left only 3 deliveries, and this is a good shot played by the batsman Javed Ahmed Loon, and this is 6. This is 6 by Javed. This is first 6 for Javed, and with this 6 the score goes on 181 run. Very good shot played by Javed, experienced cricketer of Chukar Royals and senior player of this team Chukar Royals. Now Ubaid to the batsman Javed Lonsaf. Javed. This is another shot played by the player Javed, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. They are happy with this single. Now this is the last delivery of this evening. Ubaid on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajjad. Can they? This is a third delivery. This is end of this first inning. The target is 183 runs for Shining's rising star Poshwani. This is good knock play today by Nadeem Akbar Mir and JD. Very good knock, very good partnership between the two wickets. Now Poshwani rising star, they need 183 runs in 20 hours. This is end of first inning. Now we will meet again after this. Here is यहाँ पे हम एक वक्फा लेंगे। अब बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया Chukar Royals ने, दिल खुश किया अपने चाहने वालों को। अब थोड़ा वक्फा लेंगे।